Guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will tell you about how to change country on the Google Play Store. The step 1, your first step is to actually open Google Play. Just make sure you are in the region you want to switch to and have an appropriate payment method to hand. Step 2, from there tap your profile picture in the top right, then tap the settings option at the bottom of screen. Step 3, in the settings menu you need to expand the general menu by tapping the downward arrow on the right side of the screen, then tap account and device preferences. Step 4, if Google Play detects that you have changed regions, it gives you the options to add an associated payment. If you are still in the country you initially registered, your Google's account to this option won't appear on a screen. Your option are to add a credit card, debit card, or connect to a PayPal account. Pick one to continue. Step 5, Google Play will show a warning telling you that this is a once a year deal and it can take up to 48 hours for your region to actually change. If you are happy with that, you tap continue. Google will then ask you to enter your payment details. So be sure to follow the on-screen instruction. Hope this guide will help you. Please leave a like and subscribe this channel for more videos and guides like this. Thank you so much.